Hey, it's me again. We're going to finish up on this Kwikset knob. I'm trying to do this while looking in the camera, so forgive my lack of coordination. Take the screws out. Let's do this a different way. Yeah, that screw. That screw. And when you're taking this off, on most of these Kwiksets, not this one obviously, you have to push in on the latch to remove it off of the shaft. But this tool here is for, you take this in, stick it down in there, and you watch this little tab down here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that little tab here, what we're going to do is we're going to twist this around. If I have better coordination, we're going to use it to do that right there, turn it perpendicular to this plane here. So you see how it's sitting? Now we take the end of our tool, and what we want to do, there's a little piece back here that we want to push in like that. You see where I'm at with that tool? Take that back out. Got a hair on there, that's nasty. But we push in on that, and we take this and we can just slide that right out. Okay? Let's see if it'll focus. Alright. Come on. You see there? Take that shaft out, and we remove our tool from there. Now what we want to do is get it in here. This is kind of hard sometimes, but you're shoving that down in there like that. You see how it went? It's pushing back on that part again, and we slam it on something hard and pop that core out. So now we take our tool out, and you can see what's holding that in, and the reason why this end is shaped the way it is, because it's going in and it's pushing on those little pieces right there, and it's allowing you to snap it out when you hit it on this end, and it pops right out. So now we've got this thing picked. Obviously this is the Bible. The plug is not lined up with the Bible. If it was, it would be turned like that. So what we want to do, we want to use our little tennis screwdriver, since I don't have a pick in here, and we're going to pull that pin out, that clip. I'll shoot this across the room. Yay. Stab my finger. There it goes. So we get that off of there. Got that. Now that line back up. So that's not good. We don't want that. We want to pick this thing again. So we stick our Lishi tool back in there, and we know that moving it this way was the quickest. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Okay, now pushing it this way. Come on, stay focused. Stay focused here. Where's it at? clip off of there. We want to hold our finger there to hold the plug in. Then we take one of our followers. And this is not the best follower for this. Neither is this. Let's bend their ears out a little bit. Don't bend your ears. Alright, so we want to line this up and not the slots with the Bible, because if we do that, then all of our pins will be gone. But this, see how there's a taper there? Something straight like this is not going to work, so we're going to have to come back to this. Alright.